Now we are going to start our next chapter in drugs acting on CNS in second unit. It's centrally acting muscle relaxant. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So, centrally acting muscle relaxant, these are the pharmacological agents which decrease the muscle tone. That is, to relax the muscle are known as centrally acting muscle relaxant. Centrally acting muscle relaxant. Firstly, muscle relaxants means they relax to the muscles. Muscles जे contraction झालेला आहे, or tightening of the muscle. To relieve from this condition, जे agent use केले जातात, that agents are known as centrally acting muscle relaxant. Muscle relaxants मध्ये again two types असतात, peripherally acting muscle relaxants and centrally acting, in which we have to study centrally acting muscle relaxants. So these are the agents that decreases muscle tone. Muscle चा जो increase झालेला tone आहे, muscle चा tightening or contraction of the muscle, they get decreased by using agent are known as centrally acting muscle relaxant. The agent relax to the muscle or also decrease the increased muscle tone. Increase झालेला muscle tone decrease करतात. This is definition of centrally acting muscle relaxant. These are the pharmacological agent. They decreases the muscle tone. That is, they relax to the muscle are known as centrally acting muscle relaxant. The agent or these are the agent which decreases the muscle tone without reducing voluntary power. जी voluntary power आहे, voluntary and involuntary. Do you know about voluntary and involuntary?
इच्छेने आणि अनिच्छेने.
ऐच्छिक and अनैच्छिक, that is voluntary and involuntary. तर हे जे muscle relaxant agents आहेत, centrally muscle relaxant, this agent that decreases the muscle tone, muscle चा tone decrease करतात, but without reducing the voluntary power. ज्या आपल्या voluntary powers आहेत, त्या powers ला affect करत नाही किंवा that powers reduce करत नाही. Then the drug which affect the skeletal muscle function. Skeletal muscle चे जे functions आहेत, musculoskeletal system. I think we have studied this point in anti-rheumatic agent, right? Musculoskeletal system, tendons, ligament, muscles, bone. Yes or no?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So again, centrally acting muscle relaxant. These are the drugs. They affect the skeletal muscles function. The skeletal muscles चे जे functions आहेत, त्याच्यावर these agents affected and they decreases the muscle tone. They are given orally, sometime by parenterally. Means centrally muscle relaxants are given either orally or sometime parenterally. Then they are used in acute muscle spasm. हे acute muscle spasm मध्ये यूज केले जातात. What is centrally acting muscle relaxant?
Yes, ma'am.
Relax, increased muscle tone जो आहे, this is decreased by using this agent. Relax करतात means to decrease or to reduce the muscular tone or increase the muscle tone is decreased by using centrally acting muscle relaxant. Definition समजली सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 6. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Roll number
Yes, ma'am.
6. What is centrally acting muscle relaxant?
The agent which decrease muscle tone without reducing voluntary power.
Decrease the muscle tone. Decrease the muscle tone means to relax the muscle. That agents are known as centrally acting muscle relaxant. Again, before that, muscle relaxants having two types. First one is peripheral and second one is central, in which in our pharmacology and toxicology syllabus we have to study only.
Hello, ma'am. Voice नहीं है.
Roll number 52.
Yes, ma'am.
What is centrally acting muscle relaxant? Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The, the
Roll
agent
number 50.
increases the muscle tone to relax the muscles.
Okay. These are the centrally acting muscle relaxants. So, in which they are used in acute muscle spasm. Means हे agent आपण acute muscle spasm च्या treatment मध्ये also use करू शकतो. So, acute muscle spasm or muscle spasm means there is sudden involuntary movement in the one or more muscles. Means in between the muscles there is or sudden involuntary movement just occur hote, then these agents are given. So this is about centrally acting muscle relaxant, in which firstly a definition of centrally acting muscle relaxant is these are the pharmacological agents. They are used to reduce the increased muscle tone or to relax the muscles are known as centrally acting muscle relaxant. The agent that decreases muscle tone without reducing voluntary power. Voluntary powers reduce करत नाही. Then these drugs affect skeletal muscle function. हे drugs skeletal muscle च्या function ला affect करतात and decreases the muscle tone. They are given orally or sometimes parentally. They are used in acute muscle spasm. Acute muscle spasm is there is muscle spasm, sudden involuntary movement of one or more muscle or cramp in between muscle. Then next, examples of centrally acting muscle relaxant. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Roll number 53. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 53. Are you there?
Yes, madam.
Read the examples of centrally acting muscle relaxant.
Mefenacin, baclofen, tizanidine, carisoprodol, methocarbazole, diazepam, tolperisonitis.
Last one.
Tolperisone.
Okay, very good. So these are the examples of centrally acting muscle relaxants. First one is mefenacin, baclofen, tizanidine, carisoprodol, then methocarbazole, diazepam, and tolperisone. These are the examples of centrally acting muscle relaxants. Here, your little bit or little chapter, centrally acting muscle relaxant completed. Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You have to remember definition. That is what is mean by centrally acting muscle relaxant. Then their examples. And also one more thing, they are used in treatment of
Acute spasm.
acute muscle spasm. So this is all about centrally acting muscle relaxant.